हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone. Hope you all doing fine. My name is Ali Akbar और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं how to download Flutter in your PC and how to create your first project in Flutter. So let's dive into it. First आपने अपने Google पे सर्च करना है download Flutter and enter को प्रेस करें. So first option आपको जो नज़र आ रहा है Flutter इसको आप क्लिक करें. Now click on get started and now click on Windows and now click on Android. Now scroll down so you guys can see the option download and install. Click on it and now click on the first option Flutter window 3.245 stable zip. Click on it so your downloading will be started. As I have already installed Flutter, so I will stop it. As you guys can see, my install Flutter zip. Now click on it and click on extract to, and now choose your place where you want to extract the zip file. I will choose local disk C and click on OK. So your zip file will be extracted to local disk C. Now open your the PC um, and click on local disk C, and you guys can see the folder Flutter, and click on it and go to the folder bin, and you have to copy the path of this folder. Just copy it and now below click on search and type edit environment variable. So as you guys can see, click on it and open the environment variables, and now as you guys can see system variables, click on path and create new. Click on new and paste your path that you guys have copied here. As you guys can see my path here, I have already copied, pasted, and so OK. Click on OK. Click OK. So here we go. Your Flutter will be installed perfectly. So now as you have to check guys, so click on CMD in your search, and as you guys can see the command prompt have been opened. So now you guys have to search Flutter space doctor. Click enter. So as you guys can see my Flutter installed perfectly. As you guys can see my version of Flutter. So my Flutter installed perfectly. Now you have to create your first project in Flutter. For that we have to use a command. Type Flutter space create, and you can write any type of name for your project. As I am writing first underscore project. Now you have to press enter as my project is being created. So wait for a second. Here we go, our project is created successfully. Now in order to run your project, type cd first underscore project. It will take you to your project, and now type flutter space run, and now press enter. So the project ran successfully. Now you have to choose Google Chrome to run your project. So enter, press 2 and enter. So it will take some time to run your project on Google Chrome. So you guys can see it took only 30 seconds, and now your Chrome is open with your project. So here we go, our project is successfully working on Google Chrome. So this is our first counter app. Now you guys need a editor to edit your code. For that you guys have to download Visual Studio and Android Studio. Go to the Google and search download Android Studio. Click on it. Click the first option, Android Studio download. Now click on it. So now click on and download Android Studio Ladybug. So you guys have to click on it, and it will open a certificate. Now you have to read and agree with it, and now click download. So your Android Studio will downloading shortly. So as I have already installed Android Studio, so I will not proceed. Next, you will, after that you can install Android Studio successfully. So next, go to the Google and search download Visual Studio Code. So click on the first option. Now click on Windows. So after pressing it, your downloading will be start shortly. Here we go. So as I have already installed Visual Studio, so I will stop it. Now after installing Visual Studio, open it. Click on File on the left corner. Click on Open Folder. So now you have to choose your project as we have created before. Go to the local disk C, click on Users, click on User, and this is our first project. Select folder. So our folder will be opened shortly, as you guys can see. Now click on lib and click on main.dart. So this is basically our counter app code. So now you guys can do some changes, like you can create a login page like username and password. So let's create a login page which we will create very simply, and we do not use any exceptional code in it. So let's create a login page. Here we go. This is our login page. So let's understand this code. Basically what actually this codes do. So first we used import package flutter main.dart. Basically it imports the Flutter material design package, which provides essential widgets like scaffold, text field, and elevation button. Next, we have created a class, a login page, which extends stateless widgets. So basically stateless widget is a widget that does not maintain state, it only builds the UI. Next we have used the build method to construct the widget tree for the page. Then we use return scaffold, which basically provides the basic structure of the page like app bar, body, etc. Now we have used app bar, which basically display a bar at the top of screen, like we have given a title of login. So basically it will show a login title at the top bar of the screen. Then I used padding, which basically adds space around the widget inside it. So basically next the edge in sets, basically it adds the pixel of padding on all sides, which I basically use 16 pixels. Next I use column which arrange the widget vertically, and the main axis alignment which centers the widget vertically on the page. Next we have is a username field, and next we have is the password field. And here we have used the login button And last but not least, we have used a main function which basically removes the debug banner from our screen. So now let's run our code. So type flutter space run and press enter. So it would take some time to run it. So as you guys can see, the project ran successfully. Now enter 2. So your project will run on Google Chrome. So here we go. It took 90 seconds to run our project. So this is our login screen. So we have created very simple our username field and our password and our login button. So basically you can write anything in it, and username you can write Ali, password type Ali, and login, but it would not work because we have created it very simple, a very simple screen. So basically this was our project. So if you guys want to check out how to run it on your mobile phone, how to connect your mobile phone with Flutter, you can check out my other video in my YouTube channel. So I have already told how to build APK on it and how to connect it with your mobile phone. So thank you very much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.